Do you love exploring? What if you could win an iPhone just for doing that? Tripkoach Tour is a travel and tour company, and we bring to you the Tripkoach 2025 Challenge. Travel across and visit 25 incredible tourist sites here in Ghana. Capture your journey with creative, fun, and cultural videos, and post each video on TikTok and Instagram. Also, hashtag Tripkoach 2025 Challenge and tag us. Also, add us as collaborators. End each video by shouting Tripkoach Tour loud and proud. There's a list of compulsory sites. Just pick one and you're good to go. The challenge starts on July 1st and ends August 30th. For our ongoing challenge, here are the prizes you could win. First prize, an iPhone 14 Pro, an all-expense paid trip to tour the northern region of Ghana, and a 30% off our next trip to Dubai this October. Second prize is a GoPro 13 and an all-expense paid trip to the northern region of Ghana. Third prize, the iPad 11th Gen and an all-expense paid trip to the northern region of Ghana. Top 10 finalists and everyone else, not to worry, we have gifts just for you. All details will be put in the caption below. So don't wait, visit 25 places, take 25 exciting videos, and follow our Tripkoach Tour on TikTok and Instagram as we take part in the Black Star experience.